Going on, guys? So we got her out there. Gonna go see Ferb the mastermind. If you guys don't know who Ferb is, he does have a YouTube channel with like 10th gen obviously, but it's stanced. So I got camber front, camber rear. It's on bags. It looks dope as hell. But since he messes with these all the time, I'm gonna go see him. So we got a PRL flex fuel sensor going in, front pipe, PRL front pipe, PRL mount, RV6 downpipe, and he's gonna raise my car a little more. But yeah, other than that, let's get to it. Merry Christmas, guys. Hope you guys had a great time with the fam. Hope you guys got what you wanted. For all my old heads out there, hope your kids got what you wanted and all that stuff. But I say old heads like I'm not gonna be 30 in 2 years, but yeah, we're done with the car. The only mishap we had, a little hiccup, is when literally nothing was done like badly, we were undoing, because if you guys know, on these cars the turbo studs snap, like where the turbo sits and connects to the downpipe, those studs snap all the time. So we were doing that and it snapped. Well, no, sorry, it did not snap. It stripped. One of them stripped literally at the end, like when we were taking the screw out, boom, the stud was coming out nice, and then it snapped out of, I mean, it stripped the last 2 threads out of nowhere. So that happened. We did not re-tap it. We don't have taps or nothing like that. I don't know anybody out here who taps those things, but that's besides the point, because I am gonna end up going big turbo anyway. So I've been looking at the Kuro turbo. Might cop that. It's not leaking at all. There's no gasket leak. It's still making good power. It's moving faster than it has. But yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. Right now, we're chilling. We've got the flex fuel on. Actually, I'll show you guys real quick. So you see we got a stud here, titanium. Right here is the one that snapped. It doesn't leak at all though, but we have the downpipe on, RV6. Flex fuel's in. And the front pipe's on, so we're pretty much full bolt on, good to go. All we need is an intercooler and charge pipe, which I'll get when I get the turbo. So I'm still looking for somebody to fix that stud for me regardless. Because, all right, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did buy the turbo. But I'm not gonna put it on for a while. So I bought the turbo just to buy it. I'm trying to go to Honda Day April, so I need wheels and tires, and I'm not trying to spend a crazy bag on this car. So the turbo was literally something I wanted anyway, something that I wanted to do. And yeah, so I got the turbo anyway. The Kuro turbo, not the Plus, just the Kuro. The Kuro Plus is like for like over 500. Like, we're obviously not gonna do that with this car, but yeah. So I got that, and now we're hyped, but it's not in yet. It'll come soon, but yeah. I'm trying to go Honda Day April, so I do need wheels. So I gotta get that stud re-tapped or something, because yeah, it's not leaking now, but over time, like when everything settles in, like, is it gonna end up leaking? You know, I don't know, because they do have T3 and T4s. Obviously, this is more of like a T4, and it's not a V-banded downpipe, unfortunately. So yeah, I ended up putting up the side little canards, if you want to call them. I don't know. Got them on both sides. But this is it, pretty much. Cold start for the downpipe, front pipe, and then the RV, the Rep 9 exhaust. Warmed up now. Nothing crazy until you give it a rev inside the car though. It is loud as all heck.
All right, guys, so this car is loud as heck inside here. It's kind of loud outside, but obviously when you're on it, you guys will see as soon as I get on it just to hear, it gets a little loud, and I don't mind it. I'm here for it, guys. So can you guys hear that now? It is loud. Yes, sirski. It's pretty loud. But like I said, that's only when you're like over 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. Other than that, you're in it to win it pretty much. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Just wanted to show you how loud it is inside. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And I am out of here, guys.